Stop.
I was asked in New York City, do you like my clothes? I'm talking to my tape recorder, walking down the road. But on Friday night I'm purified, now my feet don't touch the floor. Where the rubber meets the road, in between my toes. Every day is fucking perfect, it's a paradise. Watch my life like it's a movie, had to watch it twice. A boy looks at a girl, and a girl looks like a pony. She gallops all day long, in between my toes. And every night she's purified, she don't do that dance no more. Where the rubber meets the road, in between my toes.
I'm skanking on the dance floor, I'm drunk off that Hennessy, I ain't sober. I don't mix with Coca-Cola or soda, but right now I'm on a roller. I take a look over my shoulder and I see this sexy thing, I think it's time to work my way over. So I shuffle on my heels and I bounce on my toes. I'm crazy and she knows, still it's all good I suppose. Cause she didn't complain, she backed it up, so I got behind her and I lapped it up. Then we danced all night till the sun came up, then I took it to my yard and I racked it up.
A member of the Juju Nation down in New Orleans. You don't need an application if you move your feet. Explode if you poke it, exposed on the floor. It grows if you sow